Congratulations on passing your written examination. Please know that the raters are only responsible for observing and rating your skills performance and are not allowed to help you in any way. They're only allowed to provide you with general instructions. Once the examination begins, you may place all of your supplies in your assigned workstation. You may not observe the work of other candidates. Please do not speak or assist others during the examination. All right, you guys, so this is the very beginning for the Practical Texas Cosmetology Prep Exam. The minute you arrive, please know that they will most likely be assigning you to a workstation. What I suggest is that you guys just simply follow instructions. I always tell my students to dress accordingly. I suggest you guys wear all black and obviously closed-toe shoes, comfortable shoes, because you will be standing throughout the entire time of the test. Please try to make sure that you remain focused and that you are only focused on your workstation. If they do notice that you are looking around and unsure, they do consider that as cheating, so you definitely do not want to do that. It could cause you to lose points. All services done the day of the test will be done on a mannequin hand. Remember that you no longer need to take a live model with you. So make sure that you pack your state kit accordingly and you have all of your bags labeled. Again, the purpose of this video is to help students get ready for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam. But of course, it is important that students are aware and have the latest version of the PSI Candidate Information Bulletin, so make sure that you are studying the right information. The first section is pre-examination setup and disinfection. They give you 10 minutes to unpack your general supplies and prepare your work area. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. You may begin. All right, you guys, so once they've assigned you to a station and they say you may begin, that's when you actually reach for your first bag, which is your pre-examination setup and disinfection bag. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is reach out for your paper napkins and your EPA so that you are able to sanitize your entire station. That is definitely the first step. There may or may not be a chair directly in front of you, or behind you, I should say. So you want to make sure that you clean that as well. Again, this is the very first section of the exam. Pre-examination setup and disinfection. Okay. So again, they give you 10 minutes, and what they want to see is that you're disinfecting your workstation, that you're properly disposing of all waste material, and that your kit remains closed, and that you are avoiding cross-contamination. Once you have cleaned your area, you will then continue to getting everything out of your bag. You will get your trash bag, your blood spill kit, your water bottle, your hand sanitizer, you will have your cape, and all of these things will just stay on top of your workstation throughout the exam, along with your mannequin clamp. And then of course you have your tape to be able to tape your trash bag to your station. Please make sure that you tape your trash bag very securely. You would not want your trash bag to obviously fall. So really take your time. Again, they give you 10 minutes for this. You guys, also keep in mind that if they give you very specific instructions, if they say to take everything that's in your kit and be placed inside of the workstation, then do so. So whatever you do, just follow the instructions. At this time, you can also go ahead and secure your mannequin clamp to your station. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once you are done, you will sanitize your hands one last time. You will then step back and raise your hand that you are done. Candidates, please stop working. All scoring has been completed for this section. Thank you.